Hello everyone. So today let's see whether you select love or you select the unicorn. The first card is a unicorn card, and this is a love related card. But don't maybe if some of you are having emotional issues, you might just want to pick the love card. I understand completely, but I would suggest, as usual, just close your eyes and go with the flow. Ask the divine to help you in connecting your card. So just close your eyes. I'm giving you a couple of seconds to select your card. Card 1 is unicorn and card 2 is the lover's card. So now let's flip the card 1. Let's see what it is. Oh, that's a beautiful card. It says openings. It says a new door is opening for you. Now if you see there, I'm just bringing in a close up. The beautiful unicorn is waiting for you. Why is it waiting there? He says, I am waiting for you to ask me, to seek my help. I am the key to your new opportunities. So if you feel things are not happening the way you are expecting or the way you want it to happen, then call on him. Today, say 11 times, I seize all available opportunities and I make my own opportunity. I repeat, I seize all available opportunities and make my own opportunity. It's a beautiful way to call on him, call on the unicorns, or you can even say, I call on the unicorn to give me beautiful, beautiful opportunities so that I can make a beautiful life or a beautiful future ahead 11 times. So I want to pull in one more card today from my Archangel Oracle. Just let's see what is coming. Wow, now this is a beautiful card saying outdoors. So Jophiel is saying, gods, and maybe the unicorn wants you to come out in the open. So if you have a balcony, stand in the balcony and call out to the unicorn energies and tell them that I am waiting for you to give me a key where I can open up and I can bring in new opportunities. You can do that. I feel both the cards are somewhere connecting and telling that come out and call, because if you see the unicorn card also showing a tree and an openness, and here our Jophiel is also saying to come out and open. So please do that and let's see how you get ways or your road is opening and success will be all yours. Now coming to the Lover's Oracle. Imagine all the unwanted thoughts dissolving into light, creating room for new opportunities and possibilities for your life. Again, see, both the cards are somewhere interrelated. Maybe that is the reason in the starting I said don't go by if you are having an emotional issue, just go by what guidance you're getting. So again, here it's saying maybe somewhere new opportunities and possibilities are not getting created because you are stuck with the past, you are stuck emotionally, you are not able to come out of certain things which have happened in your life. Let go of it, forgive that whatever has happened, do a ho'oponopono, or just forgive the incident which is hurting you so badly, and just understand that whatever happens for a cause. Maybe today you can burn a pink candle giving self-love. Look at the candle and absorb the pink energies into your aura and give yourself self-love. And let's see what the Archangel is talking in this. Okay, sensitivity, beautiful. See here, she says you are extra sensitive to energies and emotions right now. Honor yourself and your feelings. See, this is why I love card readings. Again, a beautiful interacted card. Again, pink has come here. I feel this is the pink which I was talking about, to burn a pink candle. Everything is in our hands. I always say we are our own creators and destroyers. It is all in our minds. We allow our hearts to become emotional and we allow our minds to overpower us. So just go with the flow, let go of things that has harmed you, have a beautiful, beautiful life ahead. End of the session, I would just say both of you are waiting for roads to open, so let go. Maybe both of you can also burn a pink candle. The one who has selected card 1 can call on Jophiel and the unicorn and ask them to open paths, wherein the people who selected card 2 can let go of things which has hurt them and upset them and start working towards a beautiful future. Have a blessed day.